So how is it, Kim?
Howie, Howie.
Oh,
Oh my god, I love it.
Score?
10 out of 10.
Karan.
Oh,
Masih kayak gitu jam no, loksan.
masih saya
Hmm.
Kim di transformation video from Filipino to Manipuri girl. Tawdore.
Ato may ang demand ni ko.
Mane mayam na comment em hai.
Hmm.
Mayam gi demand matungin na tawag to ni nasisi.
Ato-
Dress yo ran.
Ato nang ngasi daddy ole hay nge. Kamay to no.
Kita ngang lay.
Aro ko. Ay ulat. Karan gi angam lay. Machu je sa mana gre khang na manung da lay re tum re. Si je basement da ne moi keno jina thamma me hay mal.
No ai te.
Few days old male massage soli yan.
Soli fa ngang wi.
Karan gi tung re ang si. Udi pang da Wow. Standard to in the ngasi arrangements ya. Great job. Convert to gre. Oh, you're looking stunning.
Oh my god.
I love the dress.
Amazing, amazing. Yes, yeah, arrange so good. So Karan,
How?
kayo or gyuze?
Ako di hendak talay ran.
Tak tele ako araba ni case ki to da ko.
Yes.
Ado ako Miss Kim is also here. You are looking very pretty and it is because of the demand from the public.
Yeah.
They have requested so much about you
Oh my god.
and they wanted to see you in this attire. At least we have tried. This is not 100%. Sorry for that, ma'am.
Try our best.
Yeah,
I
I tried our
think
best.
yung lam lay kanina. Sudaba kay adi ma'am lay na pod liya.
Mane mane.
So ako nang amzaba sa.
Number. But all credit goes to her.
Please. Doon na tayo kanang
Yes.
kiba day kay.
Very sorry. Okay, thank you so much. I thought ko yung sisters je. Sisters je tum kaya hai ni hosi ke bo kot pa maloi tak bhi kot bhi na raha. Tolai ne.
Booking ko mali adi kami. Contact.
Contact to ko yaar. Celebrity package ki rate to diye tum ko rate to dekho ekdam kona tanar se DM to wi ro.
Chana gray colors.
Color, yes. And by the way, you can see this is not a tea, and it's a black rice. What do you say?
Chicken with uchina ujile ko sija.
China special neva.
Hoy, ko special sing
Bien
chef
ka uchina
signature
special
style.
Oh, yang pasal dip ko jo keno ro. Chili oil la. Chili oil ka tora. Wow. Azal di sure. Too good.
Ano po yung Manipur ingredients yan na
Yeah.
chef the
Man.
twist over this side tare ko
Man,
side
man.
tare.
Ado
Picnic view ne.
reaction yung dune kind of. Guest first. And as per ritual, Kim would be doing the honors. Sing to lok se. So we would like to see your reaction. So basically, this is a chicken, a stir fry, along with mushroom kind of thing.
Oh my god.
Plant there. Plant or I don't know, vegetable. Mushroom, yes. Kind of mushroom variety. Yes.
And this is chili oil.
You should give her a fork.
Chili oil.
Yeah, that's chili oil. Correct.
I like it.
Sorry.
Don't eat much, okay? It might be spicy. You fry a little bit first.
I'm waiting for your first cut reaction along with rating. And you should be very transparent and you should give a good number.
Oh my god, I love it. 10
Score?
out of 10.
Oh,
So tasty.
I'm not able to film it, Kim.
I want
As
it
soon as you
more.
start eating, even I start salivating. Sorry to say. Ako dumaan to.
Uti na po yan ba?
Oh,
Ano ga uchina to ga
mixed or hindi?
chicken stir fry to.
Oh, sila to kuya to. Chicken to.
Yes.
Kuya ne, uchi na sila kitang transparent oy man ba sila? Si oy doon ne. Kuya din na
Yan
sila.
na may mukwan.
Satin man mo to.
Satin man lo. Satin gaya na.
Yes, yes.
Laying yung sara.
Karan,
For you.
sister, try to view.
Okay, man.
Chicken no try to view, sister.
Like crazy.
Alright.
You guys tell in the comment.
Black rice drink. Not, it's not a liquor.
It's normal. It's like water only.
Water.
Just the smell. Sorry.
You can see the aroma.
It's rice. Yeah,
Ah, yeah.
like salt.
You realize the thing, the aroma. There is certain aroma which comes out.
Yeah.
Smell is good. Yeah.
Sahaw ka ito.
Chahaw ne. Chahaw ka na. It is chahaw.
Ano you can.
Brother, arap na we would stir fry. This chicken jam try to away.
With mushroom. And I'm not mushroom lover, but this.
So this is basically beans along with perilla seed, and along with they have glazed this thing butter, and there is a dip along with it. You can try. It's a healthy.
And remove this from your plates.
See, transfer the order. It's a beans. Yeah, you'll like it.
It's vegetable.
I'm a vegetable.
Yo, yum. It's kind of stir fried only. Good for health, right?
Beans fries.
Yeah, beans stir fried.
Yun ang
10,
ten.
10. Yes. So this is a mushroom. Maming curry was season. Mushroom. Mushroom. Yum yum.
Oh my god, I love it.
Oh,
I love
fantastic.
it. I want more.
I want more.
Creamy.
Yummy, creamy, na? I think I insist you take that bread also along with it. You break it?
Break it. A little bit bread.
Yes.
Dip and salad.
My nails are just.
If you
It's a
like
kind
it,
of-
just say how.
You can use it as a dip, right? How, bro?
Masarap. Say how.
Say Howie.
First,
So how is it, Kim?
Howie.
Oh,
how.
first time we have spoken so much about the particular dish. I think this is the first dish you are saying. Howie.
Yeah. How. Masarap.
Masarap.
So creamy and so delicious.
Masarap and delicious.
Try it.
Yeah.
Brother, try to.
Sumek.
Wow. Second flavor. Oh, chicken with maroi. Wow. See Mudi.
Chili one or the other. The mataki the very salad there. Essential salad there. So how they are.
See the kind of transparent way. Okay, with the shit.
Rice paper.
Rice paper. I can't go so much.
Okay.
Okay. 為什麼炸位等你講到啲農炸開呢個？所以我係 try 到隻 brother 我 local 的啦，係啦，
Moy na pun na tinatawag.
搞呢啲就。
Try it.
This
So,
one is
Kim-
with rice pepper.
So this is chicken with Chinese chives,
Lately.
and on top of it we have some garnished with rice pepper, wrapped in rice pepper. So please do the needful. We are all waiting for you. So pull it over there.
What is that?
My job.
Si pork na to.
No, chicken.
Chicken ka maroy ka, rice pepper na.
Yeah.
This amag yung ko chicken ka maroy ka, rice pepper na. Yung ba? Yung ba sige kaya yung dana si je. Kasi sina rice pepper na yung ba. Rice pepper na yung ba chicken.
Yummy,
Yummy.
flavorful.
Just hit with this one. How eh?
10 out of 10.
How eh? 10 out of
10 out of 10. It's
Sila
really very difficult.
sila ka dito tinawag ng nato ole mai je.
Karena pusat lakukan parang rin. चिकन का मरोई का नहीं है ऐसे खराब होगी सीधा को घंटा सीधा चीज़ है let's try कमाई तो होना ये ना से सिलेर को ये try तो जरूर मैं सिलेर से मरोई का किन्हों से ये ना खाओ ये साका तो लसा ले होनी है हाँ पोते nhà máu first time I'm meeting cái ăn này
Si je sa ji ko na sa maroy jo.
mấy giờ đâu rồi cái trời sigi combo se recommended है वो कौन है ना sai की rice pepper की wrap तो का chicken से का ये chili oil से का half है ये ना से si try तो देखो si ना प्रजा में आम की नहीं साव याद है मैं आम की representation देखो
Fresh ki ko bi jo fresh ki ma ko pun na kan.
친구도 또 그래 뭔가
Pun na tinatawag na.
chili oil 이거 되고 wonderful combo
How can I be more?
Film hard. Now you use recommendation though.
Why?
100% nice. So this is pork. Pork kaheni, pork fry. What do you say? I don't know. Stir fry?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't eat that. So I don't know.
No problem.
That's it.
Correct. Sing the new
How is
number.
here, bro? No,
Oh,
it's
that's
butter.
it's a potato, I guess. Yum yum.
Hey,
Laro si makai di potato
Scoop?
mashed potato. Mashed potato.
there's an aftertaste. I lekker.
Score?
Aftertaste naman yaw eh. Medyo?
Tasty. Yeah.
Oh.
I miss pork.
Oh, you miss pork? You can have all.
You won't miss anymore.
It's all yours now. So, Karan, si swagi kay haitare my signature dish amoy ko pasta je. Like piping hot. Sida keno jo yare to chili flakes and keno ki jo cheese मतलब तुझे हाँ भी जो हमने melted cheese अरे मतलब तो ना unmelted है तारे को तो चीज़ है बेटन try तो होल्ड सारी है तो को
Yes sir.
Then what have you done?
कितने यार जैसे chicken
Ano siya to video?
pasta. So Kim, this is chicken pasta, which is a kind of signature dish.
Your signature.
Yeah, kind of
Now with chili.
chili flakes and lots of cheese.
Try man siya. Try that first. Kaya wala itaw wa rin.
All over there. My jam to look jam. Yeah, first. How is it?
How is it?
I don't know.
Amazing.
Perfect.
So main course là कोई चाक में कोई group तो लोग सब लम्बे कौन से जो लोग ड्रम ले
Pag main course ko lahat, yung sure.
chicken lai re
Chicken leg ay sa tay.
kangkong lai re ngan ba
My favorite.
pili chana
Chili chana
pa
siya.
ti irong ba chokoloi tong ba so chicken na so we have Madhurjan with us now, which is a signature here again. They have just made a fusion, our traditional dish, along with some hint of modern food. Like you can see the ice cream over here, and some, what do you say, flower petals, right, Karan? And look at the sizes and lots of milk. So definitely it's a yum for you, and you should try it once.
Try it.
Yes. Yeah.
And ice cream. Oh my god. I love.
Is it?
This is hot. I like it.
Like it. This is called Madhurjan.
Perfect. Perfect combinations.
Yeah.
The ice cream, the milk, and the bread. What do you call this?
Soup.
Soup. Oh, soup is 10 out of 10.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope you had a great day.
Motorjan ahan ba ni masay din kasi.
아한번에 사이즈야. 머니푸르 사드라 sorry. 내손 깨놓는다.
Sana iba ko ay gahan ba.
낭이 한번에. 오, so sorry.
Ado si ice cream ka combination dem how is any.
어. 한국이 기노 좀 하품이네. 너 이거 white chocolate 좀 하품 또 다냐. cream. 오, no, 아두나 자하오다. sorry. 자하오기다. sorry. 아이, 이상해. white chocolate 하품네. 라.
Your turn. Namili ka.
Pro Max. 아이디 아니 뭐 팀 살래. come on. 난 모르 왜 먹도 민나 하려거니. Yes, Karan. Kamay to rin kasi.
Kasi siya pa na sa akin. Na nung ay. Best evening ta rin kasi.
So, how was your overall thing?
10 out of 10, and I learned Manupir putting dance, yes, and foods.
Amazing. And you guys can check out the clips also.
Yes.
Fun time, huh?
Yes. Please follow and share and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.